Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve this type of equation given by 64 to the power L plus 8 to the power L is equals to 20. So we'll see all the solution of this type of equation. So previously also we have solved some equation of this form. So it is very easy to solve. So how to solve this? First of all, we'll take this 64 to the power L as we can write as 8 to the power 2 whole to the power L, because 64 is nothing but 8 square plus 8 to the power L equals to 20. Now 8 to the power 2 whole to the power L can also be written as 8 to the power 2L plus 8 to the power L as it is equals to 20. Why? Because it is the property of indices. What is the property of indices? Says that a to the power m whole to the power n equals to a to the power n whole to the power m, which is also equals to a to the power m into n, or a to the power n into m. This is the same. This property is there in indices chapter. Okay. By this property, we can write 8 to the power 2 whole to the power L equals to 8 to the power 2L. Now, it can be also simplified by taking some substitution. What we can do, one more step also we can take, that 8 to the power L whole to the power 2 plus 8 to the power L equals to 20. Same property of indices applies here, that a to the power m whole to the power n equals to a to the power n whole to the power m. That means 8 to the power 2 whole to the power L can also be written as 8 to the power L whole to the power 2. Why? Because this is because we have to substitute something in place of 8 to the power L. Then it will reduce to or simplified more to a equation of degree 2 or quadratic equation, which is very easy to solve. So how we can do substitution? We can substitute, let us take, let u is equals to 8 to the power L. If we'll substitute u equals to 8 to the power L, what we will get? We will get this equation can be converted or simplified to u to the power 2 plus u equals to 20, which is very simplified version of our equation and very simple to solve. Now how to solve this? Is of the form u square plus u minus 20 equals to 0. It is the quadratic equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a is nothing but 1 in our equation, b is nothing but 1, and c is nothing but minus 20 in our required equation for solving. And the quadratic equation of this form, it has a simplified version or simplified solution given by x equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4 into a into c, where b is the coefficient of x, a is the coefficient of x square, and c is the coefficient of 1 because c into 1. So minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2 into coefficient of x square. This is a simplified version of solution of this type of quadratic equation. Just we have to apply this solution to our required equation, that is u square plus u minus 20. Okay. So for our equation, that is u square plus u minus 20 equals to 0. By applying the quadratic equation, what we'll get? U is equals to minus b. What is our b here? 1. So minus 1 plus or minus square root of b square, which is 1 square, minus 4 into a is also 1, into c. What is our c? C is minus 20, whole divided by 2 into a. To a is also 1. So this is our required equation solution. U is minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 20 by 2 into 1, which can be also simplified to minus 1 plus or minus square root of, because this is 1 minus minus plus 4 into 20 is 80. 80 plus 1 is 81. Minus 1 plus or minus 81 by 2. So minus 1 plus or minus 81 by 2. Okay. So we get two solution here. If we'll take plus this one, and if we'll take minus this one. And what is square root of 81? It is nothing but 9. So minus 1 plus 9 by 2, or minus 1 minus 9 by 2, which can be 9 minus 1 is 8 by 2 is nothing but 4, or minus 10 by 2 is nothing but minus 5. Okay, so we got two solution for u. But what is the required solution? We need for L, because equation is for 64 to the power L plus 8 to the power L is equals to 20. And we have substituted something, u is equals to 8 to the power L. Now this is for u, this which solution we got for u, but we need for L. So we'll substitute 8 to the power L is equals to u. Okay. For which solution we will take, we have to decide here whether we'll take 4 or minus 5. Okay. So we can take, say if we'll say 8 to the power L is equals to u, because 8 to the power L and u. Okay. So we can clearly see that this one is positive. 8 to the power L is always positive. So u must also be positive. So we cannot take u as negative. So minus 5 is cancelled. Only correct option is 4. Because 8 to the power L is positive. If LHS is positive and it is an equation, so u must also be positive. So if 8 to the power L is positive, we will take the value of positive u only. And what is that? 4. 4 is the positive for u. So we can substitute 8 to the power L is equals to 4. So 8 to the power L is equals to 4, which is our u. Okay, this is our u, from which we can find L as 8 to the power L is equals to 2 to the power 2, or what is 8? 2 to the power 3 whole to the power L is equals to 2 to the power 2, from which we can take 2 to the power 3L is equals to 2 to the power 2, from which again, because we can equate this exponent because base is same, then 3L equals to 2 implies L is equals to 2 by 3. Okay. So we got L equals to 2 by 3. Okay, by taking u is equals to 4 because positive u. So now we can check the answer is correct or not. Okay, because our equation is 64 to the power L plus 8 to the power L, and we have to bring equals to 20. This we have to prove. Okay, is it correct or not? So we can take LHS, this one, 64 to the power L plus 8 to the power L, by putting L equals to 2 by 3. Since we got 2 by 3, just put L equals to 2 by 3. 8 to the power 2 by 3. What we get, that we'll check. Okay. 64 is nothing but 4, 4 the 16, 4, 64, 4 cube. Okay. To the power 2 by 3 plus 8 is nothing but 2 cube whole to the power 2 by 3. 4 to the power 3 into 2 by 3. Again, we can take indices properties, that's a to the power m whole to the power n is a to the power m into n. Same here, 2 to the power m whole to the power n is 2 to the power m into n, and that in the exponents can be cancel if the denominators and numerator get cancelled. Okay, so we'll get 4 square plus 2 square, which is nothing but 4 for the 16 plus 2 to the 4, from which get 16 plus 4 is 20, and which we have to prove. So L equals to 2 by 3 is correct option. Okay, for which 64 to the power L plus 8 to the power L is nothing but 20. Okay, hence our answer is correct. So subscribe for more such content. Thank you.